Hi friends, welcome to Aditi Food Channel. I am Sujata Shivashankar. Today I am going to show you how to make red garlic chutney for chats. I've taken 10 dried Kashmiri red chilies. Let's soak this in half cup of hot water for about 15 minutes. You can also use dried Badige red chilies, but I heavily recommend to use Kashmiri red chilies as it is less spicy and also gives a good red color to the chutney. Soaking red chilies would lower the temperature and spiciness. After 15 minutes, drain water and add the soaked red chilies into the blender jar. Now goes in 12 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger. Add quarter teaspoon of jeera or cumin powder. Additionally, add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add salt according to your taste. Squeeze and add 1 lemon juice. Blend it into a smooth paste after adding 50 ml or quarter cup of water. After blending, red chili garlic chutney is ready. Red chutney is a must whenever you're planning for some lip-smacking Indian chat recipes. In other words, any chat recipe is incomplete without red garlic chutney and it would taste ordinary. Basically, the combination of green chutney, tamarind chutney and red chutney recipe would lift any chat recipe. Kindly check in the description box for the link to prepare tamarind dates chutney and green chutney for chats. Try this recipe at your home. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Aditi Food Channel. Thank you for watching.